Welcome back to the Nutty Woodworker. In this video I'm going to be talking, there won't be any woodworking in it, so if that's not your thing then click off the video because there's not going to be any woodworking, and yeah, just stay tuned for the next video that will be coming up, which would be woodworking related. Further ado, the first thing that I'm going to be talking about, and also I'll be putting timestamps up here of each thing that I'll be talking about. First thing I'll be talking about is on the weekend or in my spare time I teach a class woodworking, so I'm going to be talking about that for the first bit. Then the second bit I'll be talking about how I got my different injuries that I've had in the shop. I know I shouldn't be talking about that thing, but how I could prevent it and stuff like that there. So yeah, the third thing will be about my tools in the shop and what I like and don't like about them. The fourth thing will be about upcoming projects and things I'll be wanting to do around the shop, around the house, and things like that. So they'll be all put up around about here. So yeah, click there when you want to listen to them. And first thing I'll be talking about is how I teach a class and how I prepare for teaching the class and stuff. So yeah, for you of all that don't know, I teach a class on Tuesday, woodworking. Every Tuesday. I've been doing it for now almost 2 years coming up. Love it, fantastic, love doing it. So yeah, I'll just tell you how I prepare. What I do is I go into the class and I ask them what they want to make. Then they tell me what they want to make. I come back here and I prepare the wood, cut the wood, and do all that sort of thing. So I'll show you an example. For instance, one of the students wants to make this here. I got this off Steve Ramsey, Woodworking from Your Models. He's a fantastic guy. Brian, I've talked to him before over Twitter and stuff like that. They're a brilliant guy. He always gets back to me whenever I have any questions. But yeah, these here were pallets that I've actually ripped down and cleaned up. They're going to be the legs of the stand, which you can see in the picture right there. But yeah, and the dowel rod, I'll get them on Tuesday before I go to the place. But yeah, so I cut the wood all up before I go, bring it down, and then bring it over to them ones. They cut all the wood themselves and make their project. If I can find any photos, I'll put them up here of what the sort of things that they've made. If I can't find any photos, I won't put them up, but yeah. I really enjoy working with them. When they first started off, they had not a body notion of what they were doing. But me and my dad went and taught them from 2 years ago. I think it was 2017, 2016. I'm not 100% sure, but one of those two, round about there. I showed them how to do things, and now there's no comparison from then and now. It's really amazing what they can do. But yeah, there's what I have to say about that. The second thing I'm going to be talking about is how I have had injuries in this shop. Again, for everyone that probably doesn't know, I've been doing woodworking from the age of 7, which means I've been doing woodworking from the age of 7, as I said. So I've had plenty of injuries, and yeah, just want to talk about how I could have prevented them and how I could have not did them. When I was about what was I? I was about 16 at the time. My dad bought me my very first handsaw. I was cutting a bit of wood and I slipped and cut my hand. You won't be able to see it on the camera, but I am scarred here. You won't be able to see it, but I am scarred, and I have that for life. But again, it's one of those things that happen. You just get on with your life. Didn't really hurt. The second major thing that ever happened to me is this saw behind me. This here, it's got a bandsaw, for you who don't know. This happened to me last year. I was cleaning the table off the saw, just trying to get the wood off it, and the next thing, turned it off, had my headphones on, or my ear defenders on, sorry. Couldn't hear the saw blade stopping. Next thing, my thumb goes right into the blade, and I cut right through. So I had to go to the hospital, get stitches and stuff like that there. I'm very lucky that I didn't lose my thumb, but that's one of those things that happened to me. The other thing that happened to me is a nail gun, which is one of these here. Again, I wasn't looking at what I was doing, and I put it right through my thumb. It hurt really fucking bad. It fucking hurt. But yeah, again, it's one of those things you get on with. I still do it in the saw. Another thing that happened to me, which was about 2 months ago, was with this here saw. This here. It was around Christmas time. I was cutting a log. Luckily I didn't hurt myself or nothing like that too badly. Cutting a log, and the log got away from me and went into the blade. I wrecked the saw. That's why there's a whole lot of videos on this channel of miter saws and stuff like that there. But I wrecked the saw and I had to get a new one. So yeah, there's what happened to the saw, for you who don't know. And the next thing I want to talk about is what was the next thing I was going to talk about? Anyway, I'll talk about the things that I'll be making. The upcoming videos are hopefully going to be of me showing you how to put ductwork around your shop. I have bought the pipes. They're actually right here. If I can get them out. There's one of them. There's a whole lot more in the other shop, or the shed I should say. But I have that there. And I'll be showing you guys how to put ductwork around my shop, because at the minute my dust collection is really bad and I want to see how to, or I want to upgrade it and stuff like that. So that'll be an upcoming video. I'll also be making a weapon out of this here. It's a table saw blade that I have actually broke the teeth off. It's only about a year old. Don't know how I've done it actually, but yeah, cutting a nail probably. Don't know. So I'll be making a weapon out of that there. I'm thinking of getting another one. I'm putting them as a cross, so it'll be like a battle axe sort of thing. Don't know. See what will happen. The other thing that we'll be making is, I just bought these here chisels. They are shit chisels, I know, but they're the best chisels I've got, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on dear chisels. They do me, so yeah, I'll be making a box for those to go into. That'll be the next thing. I'll be making outside. I'll take you there now and show you. But outside, I've got a shed, and at the minute there's only shelves in it. I want to make it more organized and make drawers and stuff in it, so that'll be coming up in the video, making that more organized. So I'll put a clip over this video now. Now, and I'll show you what it looks like at the minute. Yeah, that's about the shop. The next thing I want to talk about is the tools. Now, it's mostly going to be about drills, this one. This is going to be my experiences with the tools and if I would recommend them or not. But yeah, I do have this drill, the Makita. What is this? Makita 8391D. I really do love this drill. I love the grip on it, very comfy. I've known people in the past who've got these drills and the chuck has actually broke on them. Me, luckily enough, it hasn't. The only complaint I have about this saw, or this drill, sorry, is the battery. It is absolutely shit. I actually paid for this one here to get upgraded. I took it to the shop. I'll show you the one over the other battery I've got for it, which is this one. It is been charging up when I got in the shop, which was about 4 hours ago, and it's going to that there, it's saying it's fully charged. So let's just see. It is charged, but not fully. So I need to get that one there upgraded. So I will. But apart from that, the drill is fantastic. Really do like it. Compared to this one, which is the one I got upgraded. It freaking burns you. But yeah, that one there, when you get the batteries upgraded, it cost me nothing. It cost me that money to get upgraded. Don't know how much it was, but yeah. But that upgraded the battery, and it's the best thing he's ever done to this drill. It's fantastic, really fantastic. Really do like it. I'll talk about this one here, impact driver. It's the Mac impact driver. Yeah. Can't really say much about this apart from it's okay. I wouldn't say it's the best drill. Definitely not the best. Comes with one battery. Would it be better if it came with 2 batteries? Because when you charge the batteries up, it can take up to about 6 hours for the battery to charge fully, which is a really shame. Thinking of buying one. I did have before that an Airbar impact driver. Had it for about a year, and then I drove it into a piece of wood and tried to charge my battery up, and the battery wouldn't charge. Took it back to Screwfix, and I bought the Bosch professional range drill, which it's actually in my house at the minute, so I can't show you that at the minute. But yeah, I bought that there. And that's all I can say about it. The drill's fantastic, but yeah. The other thing I want to talk to you about is what was I want to talk to you about? So guys, I think that's about it. I can't really think of anything else I wanted to talk to you about. Oh yes, sorry to this here in. I will be restoring. I've got somebody gave me a drill, a really old drill. I'll show you it. And when I say somebody gave me it, my old school was getting rid of it, and they gave me it, which is here. It works brilliant. The only thing is the handle. Well, not the handle, sorry. This here, don't know what you call it, sorry. But this here, I need to restore that there. Here, it's all rusty, so I need to clean it up, restore that. Again, the handle here needs restored. Good oiling, and that's about it. But yeah, that there been in another upcoming video. I need to restore that drill, and I'll show you it in use when I restore it. But yeah, it's fantastic wee drill. Really like it, brilliant. So yeah, guys, that's all I have to really talk about. Apart from that, there, guys, leave any suggestions in the comment section of if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll read them. Well, either me or Saints will read them and then tell me. But yeah, apart from that, there, that's all I have to talk about. Until the next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And have a great day. RenderForest.com. So guys, if you've waited to the very end of the video, this is a wee bonus clip, I should say. But coming in May, me and Saints Night are going to be doing a series of videos. We are going to have probably challenges and stuff like that. So if you leave them in the comment section of challenges we can do. Well, actually, don't leave them in the comment section. Comment on our Facebook. So then people who haven't waited to the end, and they don't know. But yeah. So yeah, we're going to be doing challenges, and there's going to be a lot more vlogs and stuff like that there. If you go in and type on YouTube the Nutty Woodworker. I've started up on my own channel. It's going to be vlogs and behind the scenes of woodworking and different things that I feel like doing. But yeah, there's going to be there. And apart from that there, thanks for staying to the end and watching this wee bit. And again, if you did stay to the end, you're a true fan, and there'll be a giveaway coming up for all the woodworkers. So yeah, stay tuned for the giveaway, and thanks for watching, and have a great day.